Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the NoxGPT free promo code. So, as you can see right here, we have it pulled on Reddit. So, right here, they actually said the steps. Welcome, begin by tapping your name of the game app below, example, Monopoly Go, DoorDash, Temu. So, for example, you say Temu, and I'm assuming you want to get high-value Temu coupon codes. Don't worry, as an AI model, I will here to help. So, I know how to blah 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 between 250 to $500 off. Please follow these steps and you will shop like a king. So first of all, and a lot more. So basically, please don't fall for these scams. It is not true since AI cannot generate coupon codes, since only the stores can generate that. As you can see right here, edit, it's a proven scam right here. They actually provide the YouTube link right here. So as you can see, this is the YouTube link. And the comments are saying that, thanks bro, there are many YouTubers who are promoting these scams. So you saved me. It has even Roblox closed, but I hear some people saying it works. So please do not believe this. It is too good to be true. Since if it is real, how come more people are not doing it? And yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.